and welcome to a slightly different local hero, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. He was inspired by a copy of Robert Hooke's Micrographia that he saw when he was visiting friends in London. Hooke's Micrographia contained a description of a simple microscope that was little more than an extremely powerful magnifying glass, using only a single lens. He took a blow lamp and he took a very, very thin piece of glass to make a tiny little blob on the end of his thin piece of glass. And that is basically a Van Leeuwenhoek microscope. Here is a blob of glass, and it's clamped between this sheet of wood and this sheet of wood. And if I look through there, what I can see is actually a whole lot of greeny blue blobs. I think you'll be able to see them too, and they're actually algae. This is more or less like his. Do you see the lens is that tiny, tiny thing in the middle? If I hold it up to the light, what I can see is a lot of filaments, greeny blue filaments, which are actually filamentous algae. This is a bee through my microscope, and a human louse. He was very secretive about his methods, but was the first to see blood cells. Leeuwenhoek must have got magnifications of up to 500 times. See you next time! If you would like to try some experiments from the programme, to visit some heroic sites, or just find out more about my heroes, details are on the Local Heroes website at www.bbc.co.uk/education.